I'm Ron Kollasch. I'm the service manager at Broaster Company. My function at Broaster Company is to handle calls from the operators, service technicians, certain different service agencies from the field, and provide technical support, parts support. If you call Broaster Company, you'll either get myself or one of the other technicians will answer your call right away. What I like most about Broaster Pressure Fryers is kind of twofold. I love the longevity. I love the fact that Broaster Company owns the patent for the first commercial pressure fryer, LAM Phelan, back in 1954. It's a story we all know here at Broaster Company. But I also love the innovation that Broaster Company shows. Innovation isn't always just bells and whistles. Innovation is designing something with the tricks to make it last a long time, make it easy to maintain and operate. The nice thing about Broaster Company is we're a fairly small company and everybody wears a lot of hats. So the service department does work very, very closely with our engineering department. So therefore they get a perspective when they're in the design that not all companies offer. Plus the innovation, we're really branching out into some new territory with our new E-Series. It's got some components that make it much easier to operate. We've automated a lot of the systems on it. We've got to come up with a heating system that is just tremendously efficient. So we're kind of branching into that, but we've managed to keep, while we're doing it, the simplicity of the design, and we've made it still as easy as we can to maintain and to service. You got machines that have been out there for 30, 40, 50 years. The oldest and most loved unit I've seen in the field has got to be a Broaster Profit Maker up in northern Wisconsin that was designed in the late 50s. I think this is a 61 or 62 vintage unit. It was still in operation, and it looked brand new. The operator just couldn't say enough about it. He loved the fact that he had it, loved the fact that it was still using it. What operators say about their Broaster Pressure Fryers when they call, usually the first thing is, well, I've had this machine sitting here for years and years, and I've been using it, never had any problem, and now it's doing this. So we help them over the phone with whatever problem they're having, and it's usually something that we can help the operator fix over the phone. The service agencies that we call, maybe it's their first time seeing a Broaster, an operator called them, and mostly it's just questions. How does this work? How does that work? And when we explain it to them, it's, oh, that's simple. I don't even know why I called. Quite often is what we get. Yeah, I looked at it. I thought that was how it was. I just wanted to make sure. That's the kind of answers we get. We've done our best to try to put the components in a very accessible way so you don't have to pull the machine out of the cook line, which lowers the downtime, lowers the service bills in the end, and really get a lot of appreciation from the service technicians for that fact. My best dad advice, say for a new operator, would be maintenance, cleaning and maintenance. If you spend 15 minutes a day, if you budget 15 minutes a day to keeping the machine clean, then you'll have years and years and years of use. Also make sure that it's maintained properly, and make sure that any new employees you have that are going to operate it, get trained on it. They know how to do it properly. It's easy to do right. Like anything else, if you do it a little bit wrong, you're setting yourself up for maintenance costs or service costs that are easily avoided.